Hello, my name is Chuck, and I own an SEO agency out of Charlotte, North Carolina, and we specialize in search engine optimization and getting local businesses just like yours ranked to the top of Google in order to bring you more leads and more business. And I was doing a keyword search for your niche in Charleston, which is Charleston Pest Control Company's most popular search term. And typically there's some ads up here, but this next section is a map section. Then you get into the organic rankings, and this is a business directory. Here's a competitor of yours, another business directory, competitor, competitor. And not sure if you know, but 80% of all new searches choose one of the top 3 search results. So I know you as a business owner, like most businesses, would want to get a portion of that new business that people are that is in the market. So I looked for your company, and I did find you on page 3. Here you go, McFadden Pest Control. So I went to your website, see what it looks like, and looks very nice as far as pictures and aesthetically and everything. So great job there. Hopefully, let's see. Just want to make you aware that Google, the reason Google ranks a site high is because they trust it. They are all about the end user experience. So just think of yourself, if you go to Google to search for anything, you want to find what you're looking for. You want it to match what you're looking for on the first page, so you don't have to go scrolling through a bunch of pages to be frustrated finding what you're looking for. You also want that information to be accurate and authoritative. So what helps Google determine whether they can trust your site or not? Well, one of the first things is your title tag. So we put your URL in our metadata extractor, and out comes your title and some other information we use. That title is usually what shows up on the blue line, which is called the title tag, on the search results. And the thing is, Google, what helps you boost you up in the rankings is that your title tag is congruent with what people are searching for. So if you just made a simple change on your title tag and put in Charleston Pest Control Company's a vertical line, and then your name of your company, McFadden Pest Control, that would boost you up in the rankings significantly. And then the other thing Google looks at are your headings, and these are on your website. Kind of think of them like the title is the name of your book, and then the headings are the chapter titles. So, and then you have content after that. Well, your headings tell Google what you want to rank for. So this is showing that you're telling Google you want to rank for these things, when in essence you really want to tell Google that you want to rank for what people are searching for. So on your website, you'd want to put in your heading, again, Charleston Pest Control Companies. We're awesome, and this is why. Something to that effect. And that would help boost your rankings there. So hopefully you found some value in those couple of things. There's several more things we can do to help you out with content, citations, and some other things. But those are a couple things you can do on your own to help boost your rankings, or I'll be glad to help you with it as well. Take care, and have a great day.